happening? It's your boy Keenan from Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking. Yeah, I've been on a little hiatus. Last cook was my pork belly cook. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Couple grocery store adventures going. Those was pretty funny and entertaining. But your boy been on a little hiatus. Just dealing with a lot of, about 4 people that I know that passed away in less than a month. And one was real close to me. Was probably my dad's best friend. And that hit me hard. And, laid him to rest, paid our respects. And I know he would want me to move on. So this video is dedicated to my Uncle Hermo. Check this out. Okay, so this is what I'm going to get going on this smoker today. We're going to do this Keenan style. This is 2 tri-tips that I trimmed up. And I really paid attention on how I trimmed them. And I think I did a good job. Got a lot of that fat off there, a lot of connective, silver skin. We ready to roll. I'm going to season this bad boy with this little seasoning mix I put together right here. Consists of a tablespoon each of these Goyas. Goya Adobo, the red cap. Total Seasoning. Perfect seasoning right here. And then I put a teaspoon and a half of onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and I put about a teaspoon of chili powder in there. And I'm going to go ahead and season the other one up with this right here. This Island Boys Spices Beach Bum Rub. So one going to get my seasoning and the other one going to get the Island Boys seasoning. And I'm going to make a little stuffing for it. We're going to do this Keenan style. First time trying it, but I've been thinking about it. I etched it out in my mind. So we're going to get it cracking. I'm going to make the stuffing. We're going to stuff it with some shrimp. I got some cream cheese and butter in there coming room temperature. Got some of these honey roasted walnut pieces. It's hard to not eat these out the bag. And then I'm going to go ahead and bind it all together with some of these croutons, along with some of this parsley right here. So I'm going to get everything going. Alright, so what I'm going to do to this beef first, this nice tri-tip, you can see how tender it looks right there. This is what I'm doing the earnest. You go ahead and cover this bad boy in your favorite cola. In your favorite cola. Don't ask any questions, just do it. And something that I picked up from Ernest Avantes, Pope of Barbecue, the man, one of my favorite dudes to watch on TV. So while this tri-tip get his earnest on, I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready. Okay, so I finished doing the earnest. Soaking my beef in cola. Favorite cola, whatever you want to use. And this is a tri-tip. I butterflied open. I don't know if anybody's ever done that before. This is what I'm going to put my stuffing mix in, and then we're going to make this Keenan style. This one I'm going to leave whole. I could have trimmed it here and butterflied it, I don't know, I might. It depends on how much stuffing I got left over, but I want to make sure this is nice and full, so I'm not making a lot of stuffing, and I may not have enough to split between both. So, and since I have a kid that doesn't like seafood, I think I'm just going to leave this one plain for him, and that way he can have some good tri-tip. Okay, so that worked out fine. Got these bad boys seasoned and stuffed. I know you wondering how I'm gonna make a Keenan style. Check this out. for those who don't know, this is the backup. Nice little smoker. I already got this bad boy plugged up. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. We just crank it to high. Got a mixture of some of this Jim Beam's barrel aged smoking chips and Best of the West Applewood chips. So I got these bad boys loaded up. As you can see, I put these two little ones down here because they're gonna be done quicker, and that way we could check. We definitely trying to prevent any hangage of the bacon, because then the fat gonna drip down and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this back up and let it do its thing, because the temperature drops quick. Alright, so I got that temp knocked down a little bit. I opened the door. Let's get a look at this meat. Never stand in front of this bad boy when you open it. Alright, that's looking good. I had to move the small ones up and put a pan under here because it was dripping, and we definitely don't want no more fires out here. So the inner voice was talking to me after I sampled those two small pieces. Something's telling me these big ones is ready. It's real hot outside. It's like over 100 degrees, and that little smoker definitely was running hot, and you definitely got to pay attention to that. So I pulled it. Check it out. So here they go. Straight smoke tri-tip, Keenan style, bacon wrap. This is the one that was stuffed with the mixture of the cream cheese, butter, honey roasted walnut pieces, parsley, shrimp, and some straight old love. This one I just left regular because my youngest son doesn't like seafood. So this is for us, that's for us and him. Okay, let's cut this bad boy open. Start here. Oh, look at that's the filling. Still kind of hot. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is nice. That is nice. That is nice. Alright, I'm gonna cut open this other one. Whoops. Okay. Let's cut open this one. Let's just take it right down here. Oh yeah. That's nice. That's the pink is just out of there. And that's juicy. I don't care what anybody say. That's juicy. Look at that. Yeah. I mean, that's a big slice, but as you can see, it does tear, and it is tender. Let me get a bite of this one. That's on point. Island Boy spices. That's on point. Some of that stuffing, shrimp, cheese, cream cheese, honey roasted walnuts, parsley, and some little seasoning rub I came up with. Alright, I'm pretty much done with this. Probably whip up some rice or just gnaw on this, make a sandwich. This is pretty cool. Came out real good. This is your boy Keenan. Like I said before, I've been on a little hiatus. This cook is dedicated to my Uncle Hermo. Also, want to give a shout out to the people dealing with these wildfires right now. It's crazy. It is crazy up here in San Diego. We got these wildfires burning, and it's like over 100 degrees. So let's give a shout out for all them firefighters out there doing their thing, trying to save people's lives. Be sure to check me out on Instagram. Check out my videos on YouTube and TikTok. Everybody take care. 1.